everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Talks channel, where we practice real, useful English in a calm and friendly way. I'm Ben.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lily. Ben, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I feel relaxed today because this lesson is simple, practical, and super repeatable. If you learn these lines, you can use them today, at home, outside, at work, anywhere.
I like that. Because many learners know vocabulary, but when they need to speak, they freeze. They think, what sentence should I say first?
Exactly. So today we're practicing daily common used sentences. Small sentence patterns that you can repeat every day until they feel automatic.
And we'll keep it friendly and easy. Not fancy, not stressful, just real life.
Yes, and we'll give lots of examples inside our conversation, so you can copy the same style and use it in your day.
Okay, Ben, let's start with the most common thing greetings, because every conversation starts there.
True. The easiest start is hi, hello, hey, and then how are you or how are you doing?
And if you want a casual version, you can say, how's it going? Or, what's up?
Yes, but how are you is perfect for everywhere. Neighbors, coworkers, shop staff, anyone.
Now, the answer. People think they need a big answer, but they don't.
Exactly. You can say, I'm good, thanks. I'm fine. I'm okay. Not bad. Or pretty good.
And if you're not great, you can still be normal and honest. Like, I'm a bit tired today, or I'm not feeling well, or I'm stressed today.
Yes, but keep it simple. And then always ask back, how about you? Or, and you?
Let's do a real mini talk. You meet me at the door.
Hey Lily, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. Just busy today.
That's natural, and it's short, and it works.
Exactly. Now, after greetings, daily life happens at home. Home English is the most repeated English in the world.
Yes, because at home, we always need things, and we always lose things.
The number one sentence, where's my phone? Or, where are my keys? Did you see my charger? I can't find it.
And the answers are also very common. It's on the table. It's in the kitchen. It's in your bag. Check your pocket.
And sometimes, it's in your hand.
Stop, this is too real. I do that every day.
Same. Now, requests at home. These are super useful. Can you help me? Can you pass me the water, please? Can you open the window? Please close the door.
And if you want to sound extra polite, say, could you? Like, could you turn down the volume, please?
Yes. And quick replies. Sure. Okay. No problem. Just a minute. I'm coming.
Just a minute is a life sentence. It works everywhere.
Exactly. Now let's move to another big daily area. Work and study.
This is where people feel nervous because they want to sound professional.
Yes, but professional English can be simple and clear. For example, to start, do you have a minute? Are you free right now? Can we talk for a second?
And if the other person is busy, they might say, not right now. Can we talk later? Give me 5 minutes.
Then you can reply, sure, no problem. Okay, I'll wait. Or, I'll message you later.
Another sentence I use all the time is, I have a question. It's simple, but it opens the conversation.
Exactly. I have a question. Can you help me with this? Can you check this? Is this correct?
And if you don't understand, you should not smile and suffer. You should ask.
Yes. Say, sorry, I didn't understand. Can you say that again? Could you repeat that, please? Can you speak a little slower, please?
I also like, can you show me an example? Because examples help a lot.
Great one. And common work updates. I'm working on it. I'm almost done. I'll finish it today. I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you sounds very professional.
Yes. Now, outside life, shopping. People use the same sentences every time.
And that's good news because you don't need to learn 100 new lines.
Exactly. In a shop, how much is this? Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in medium? Can I try it on?
And if staff comes and you just want to look, you can say, I'm just looking, thank you. This one gives confidence.
True. And at checkout, can I pay by card? Do you accept cash? Can I get a receipt?
Now, restaurant English. Many learners panic. But restaurant English can be easy.
Yes. You can say, can I see the menu, please? I'd like this, please. Can I get some water? No ice, please. Could we have the bill, please?
And if you want to sound natural, you can ask, what do you recommend?
Yes. And if there is a problem, stay calm. Excuse me, this is cold. Sorry, I didn't order this. Could you change it, please?
Perfect. Now, phone calls and messages. Daily life.
Very common. Sorry, I missed your call. I'll call you back. Can you text me? I'm on my way. I'm running late.
And the classic excuse, I'm stuck in traffic.
Yes, and another one, my phone died.
Okay, now problem sentences. Because something always goes wrong.
Exactly. It's not working. There's a problem. My internet is slow. Can you help me? What should I do?
And when you make a mistake, apology sentences. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. My bad.
And responses, it's okay. No worries. Don't worry about it.
Ben,
I'm ready.
my most common daily sentence is, I'm on my way. But honestly, it means I'm still on my bed.
The real meaning is, I'm thinking about moving.
Yes, I'm on my way is a dream, not a fact.
Okay, back to learning.
Now, making plans with friends. This is daily too.
Yes, you can say, what are you doing today? Are you free this weekend? Do you want to hang out? Let's meet at 6. Where should we go?
And if you agree, sure, sounds good. I'd love to. Okay, let's do it.
If you can't, sorry, I can't. I'm busy today. Maybe next time. Let's do it another day.
To keep the conversation going, use small questions. Really? Oh, nice. Then what? How was it? What happened?
Great. Now we'll do one short speaking practice.
Repeat after us. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Can you say that again, please?
How much is this?
I'm on my way.
Great job. If you repeat these lines daily, your speaking will feel faster and easier.
Ben, people always ask me something like, I know these sentences, but I forget them when I need them.
That's normal. The fix is small repetition. Choose 5 sentences and use them for 7 days. For example, just a minute. I'll call you back. How much is this? Can you help me? Can you say that again, please?
I love that because it feels possible. Not heavy, not stressful.
Exactly. And don't wait for perfect confidence. Confidence comes after practice, not before.
So today we gave you simple daily sentences for greetings, home, work, shopping, restaurants, phone calls, problems, and making plans. And we used many examples inside our talk.
Yes. Now, homework for everyone. Write one comment with 5 sentences you will use this week. Keep them short and real.
Example: just a minute. I'm on my way. How much is this? I have a question. Sorry, I didn't understand.
Thanks for listening to Daily English Talks channel. If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, and share.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.